How to get rid of hemorrhoids or piles treatment. In your anus and rectum, hemorrhoids are swollen veins. Rectal bleeding, itching, and pain are the most common symptoms. Internal hemorrhoids develop inside and external hemorrhoids outside of the rectum and anus. There are many people who suffer from hemorrhoids. Most Americans experience one or more of these at some point in their lives. The pain often goes away in a few weeks on their own. However, they can be extremely uncomfortable. There are several remedies that can help you cope with them. 1. Tea tree oil. Hemorrhoids may be treated more effectively with tea tree oil due to its antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties. Tea tree oil gels have been found to decrease symptoms in early studies, but more research is needed. 2. Aloe vera. Hemorrhoids and various skin conditions have traditionally been treated with aloe vera gel. Several studies have indicated that it might reduce irritation by acting as an anti-inflammatory. While aloe vera gel may not be effective in treating hemorrhoids, the gel is used in other products and you should only use aloe vera gel pure to treat hemorrhoids. An aloe plant's leaves can be harvested directly for pure aloe vera gel. Aloe vera can cause allergies in some people, especially those who are allergic to garlic or onions. Apply a dime-sized amount to your forearm to determine if you are allergic. I would recommend a 24 to 48 hour wait time. As long as there is no reaction, the use should be safe. 3. Sitz baths. Hemorrhoids are typically treated by sitting in warm water several times each day, especially after a bowel movement. Definitely one of the best treatments, according to the doctor. A sitz bath generally comes in a small bowl that can be found at a local pharmacy. It's the perfect tool to soak and massage your muscles after a long day. 4. Cold compresses. If swelling occurs in the anus, apply ice or cold compresses for 15 minutes at a time. Hemorrhoids with large, painful bulges can often benefit from this treatment. Never directly apply anything frozen to your skin, and always wrap the ice in cloth or paper. 5. Witch hazel. Itching and pain are two of the most common symptoms of hemorrhoids that witch hazel can alleviate. Natural anti-inflammatory properties could also reduce swelling from this oil. Having hemorrhoids treated with witch hazel is very effective. Other products containing it include Antiitch wipes and soaps. If you like this video, like and leave your comments. Share with your friends for more recipes and tips. Subscribe to this channel.